In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on the green button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, make sure to select Allow. Then tap on the button again. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Now name your recording however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. Then to access list of all your recordings, click on this button on the right when recorder is off. To listen to your recording, click on it. To delete it though, select Edit at the top right corner, click on the chosen one, and select Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!